very nice surprise that we found unexpectedly in this vlog. But there was this person who came out of the box who touched our heart, not only our heart but our soul. It brought tears to our eyes. Hello, our YouTube family, and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today is very sunny, bright day, and we are out all with family to a designer outlet in Swindon. Not to do a shopping or something. We will be browsing around. There is something, couple of things, and Nadia wants to look. She wants to buy me something. I usually don't buy. She buys me a lot because if I buy me, I keep that for a really long time. So yes, Nadia is going to buy. We're going to design out. A lot of people from far away do come over here for shopping. We will show you if there are any promotions going on or anything. And at the end of this vlog also, we will have a very nice message that we have to give out for. So guys, stay tuned and let's go now.
Hi Angel,
Hi.
are you excited to go shopping?
Yeah.
What are you going to do today?
What are you going to do?
I'm going to have something for now because I'm a little hungry.
You know you have a surprise today?
Yes.
Okay.
I wonder what's the surprise.
You're going to go find it soon.
We reached to designer outlet and shopping starts now. Now we're going out in here for some of the outlet to see. Hello. So nice people over there.
Ashley is ordering. We are ordering some KFC.
So guys, guess what? I'm here in designer outlet and I got to see a surprise for myself. It always brings a smile when you see somebody just comes and hellos you, they know you. And tell you what, I've got a person who knows us through our channel, and it's very heartwarming that to see somebody. She's Karen. Alban. And that's Devi. What's your name, Devi? She's so shy. And with K2N Family, I really appreciate them to just say hello. It means a lot. I would like to go and say hello to everyone I see, but you know, she tries my recipe. She asks me to make a biryani. I will come with that. She does a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming, and it means a lot for you guys. I wish you all will be connected like this.
Yes.
And God bless you, lady. Thank you. Yeah.
So आम्ही हे ऑर्डर केला KFC.
KFC chicken wings. So now say.
So it's not good to have fast food every day. It's only good to have it little time. Only sometimes, not a lot.
Yes.
Otherwise you'll be fat.
And sometimes I go that you that friends work here, no? He tells friends it's a good time to have it or not. So guys, yeah. As I said, like I don't encourage Angel to have a lot of fast food. Remember, I've told you when I'd gone to McDonald's. The thing is, yes, whenever I take her, there is sometime occasionally I'll take her and I'll give it to her. I said, okay, my friend is working and I'm having a good thing. Like, there's a good meat. And yes, and then only we try to give her. Otherwise, today was a nice one, so that's why she had it. But usually, now I think so after how many long time after she'll not have it. Alright, you see behind there's a train in the for the kids. So go to the next over here. It's a nice place for in the next. There's a lot of sale come over here. Angel started playing in the store over here. Angel is hiding over here. while coming earlier, I did say to you, we're coming to designer to buy few things. Nadia has few shop to do, and she will be choosing which. She told me that she have a dress to see, which is not sure she's gonna buy, and a pair of shoes that she likes to. And so yeah, then किती गेलो आणि म्हाका भिरांत पडा तें बेबी बरें केल्या घेयना सोंपी पण तें पण आतां हें हातींचें नाय म्हणपाक बरें दिसपाना सो हें कितें दाखय तुमकां हाती पळय कितले आहा ते. Wait, what is this? How many there are?
5.
And how many you're thinking to buy?
5.
5? So we're just sitting outside now over here, just giving some milk for Kisha. We have to carry those things with milk and everything. One bag of that will have to be ready.
I ended up with one dress.
Yeah, she ended up buying only one. I knew that. She doesn't do anything. I was just trying to pull her leg like when I'm making a vlog. Kohinoor am gele. At hunsi to hapan na nala atalala. Hey, and Modi to you think anyone will wear this kind of a ring? I don't know. It's such a colorful crockery over here. Well, guys, if you want to come and shop down in here, this is a beautiful place here to buy for yourself. Really good crockeries. I think these are better than the coated ones that you get. Prices somewhat range that you can see. This might help you guys. Definitely, I'm just going to buy these cups very soon. House of Kavani, one of the best suit outlet over here. Guys, huge range of watches over here, all 50% discounts. Last time that I bought over here was from here. I just paid about £55 for a watch. The original price was 110.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया.
Yeah, even that is nice. That because goes with a big sale down here. Bye bye, Kisha. Bye bye. Tada. Bye, Angel. Have fun. So this used to be a station before, Western Somerset Railways. This used to be a station, now it's turned into a shopping center. So just now finished with the shopping. Not a shopping, just browse here and there. It's not possible to do with kids. Burgange ning kutomade dapana kida let's say हे मखनाचे आखे आंगा भी कान किट करते. So friends, here I'm back from the shopping, very tired honestly. Angel, she was like everywhere. She wanted to go that train and it's on the other side, so she did not understand. She wanted to go first and come back. Kisha on the other side, it was very hot, so it's not their fault as well. So we didn't end up doing a lot. Just did a shoot off here and there, just showing you all things. You will be seeing what it is. And but yes, one nice thing that I got for myself as a Father's Day gift I got, and that is my shoes. I got new pair of shoes for myself. So it's a nice track shoes. And as I was saying, there's a lot of discount going on actually at this time. So if you guys want to grab some good discounts for watch, suits, or shoes as well. If you want to buy very good, these shoes like 87 pounds, but I got for 67, I guess so. Yeah, 67. Very good price they were. Nadia has bought a dress for her and shoes, but she is not trying to disclose it. Guess why? Because there is something, there is kind of an event that is going to happen in the family, and she has planned to wear it on that day. Let's see what more I can do in this vlog, and I'll come back to you again. So now let me go to have shower, get wrapped up with everything, and just have to give shower for the kids as well. Oh man, so many things. For now, I'll see you. Bye. Hello friends, and welcome back again to our channel K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. Today we are here with a message for you. Today's vlog, what we done was very nice, short, sweet, sober, beautiful. A very nice surprise that we found unexpectedly in this vlog. It was very heartwarming, and that surprise that we got. We did not expect that thing, but yes. And today's message is the kindness that you can receive and you can give. Yes, this is the message, and there is a reason behind this message why we want to put. So before I go forward with the message, what this message is about and why we are coming with this message, I want to read you all a quote. That quote came across to me, was written by Princess Diana. It was a very nice quote, and this quote resembles to the message that we want to send for everyone, and particularly to a person that we're going to talk about. Well, that message says, the quote is like this: carry out a random act of kindness with no expectations of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for you. By Princess Diana. It is a really wonderful word, small but very touching. There is a big, deep message in this. You must have known at that time when we made a shout out, we called up someone, and that person made us so much feel good that I have no words.
Like she did more than expected.
More than expected. Honestly, we don't know what to say and how to thank that person. This is nothing about, I want to tell you, this is nothing about like, okay, I want to do a promotion or she's doing a promotion. I'll say this person has far more good followers than me, I would say. Though even I have so much of people who have joined to my club, but she has a lot of people who are watching. If that person wanted to say, oh, why do I care about? But no, it's act of kindness. It just touches you so much.
And people genuinely respect her and her family because they are very humble, very kind, and we need this humbleness and kindness in this world.
Yes, it is true. And it's time to reveal who is this. Yeah. So
yeah, she's one of the YouTubers where I will put her description link in my description box that what video she had done on us. And yes, she's the one who really touched our hearts, and her channel name is Enjoy Your Present Life.
शिवनाथ तृप्ती आणि ऋत्विक आणि मम्मी हांव तुमकां सांगपाक सोदतां हांव तुमच्या युट्यूब चॅनल सदांच पळयतां आनी म्हजी भयण ट्रिजाय पळयताली आमी गोवा आसतना खूब एन्जॉय करताले आतां हांव नादिया कडेन आयलां आनी हिंगाय वयतां आनी हांव देवा कडेन इतलें मागतां देवान तुमचो युट्यूब चॅनल सारको बेसावांनी भरूं आनी शिवनाथाचे बिझनेस आनी तृप्ती तुकाय बी देवान खूब वाडोवं चडोवं कित्याक देव खालत्यांक खूब वयर काडटा तुमी दोगांय खूब खालती आनी तुज्या ऋत्विकाक हांव देवा कडेन एक बरें विशडम मागता जाणवाय आनी तो बरो शिकतलो आनी एक बरो भुरगो जातलो म्हूण हांव सदांच आवडयता देवा कडेन.
Hello Ritvik, whenever I see your vlogs, it's so beautiful that makes me smile. So whenever I see your mom in the vlogs, I like when she say Keshas to me. So Ritvik, let's make our parents proud and all the best to you.
yes, enjoy your present life. The co-founder is Trupti. Trupti, Shivanand, and
Ritvik.
Ritvik. A family of 3 with her mother, Trupti's mother.
Yes.
Ai, for you. Thank you so much, Trupti, that you have done. I did not expect this. It was nothing that you had to really do it, but what you have done, it's overwhelming for us.
It really got tears in my eyes because we had gone shopping and we did not know like the
Yeah.
vlog is come or something. And my mom, like, she was like, just come inside and see what's
Yeah, there's a
Tripti
surprise
doing.
for you.
There's a surprise, like, you know. And I was like, what surprise? And then she showed us the video, and it was like I couldn't take my eyes off that video. It was like too heart touching, and I cannot. I don't know.
Yeah, literally, Nadia had, even I had tears in my eyes at that day because it is something that we could expect from someone that,
Who doesn't
sometimes,
even know
yeah,
us.
sometimes we expect from someone who will do it things for us, but it never comes up. And when you don't expect the least, that's nothing that is out of the blue. Somebody come and do that. It's just like, okay, you can't express those in words. You guys are really amazing. So thank you. So this is what the message is like to all my fellow followers who follow us on the YouTube. If Trupti wanted, she could say, why do I do it? He's got 20K followers and why do I promote him or do say thank you for him? I might just lose my say. See, we have as a Goan, we have that thing sometimes stability within ourselves. Like we say, "Angko ta, त्या कोई solo na." That's not everyone.
Yeah.
That's not everyone. There are people, good people in this world who think about good each other. I'm going to like there is one I'm mutpayata. That couple that we met, Albin and Karen. We were doing the vlog. We were in designer outlet. Albin, Karen, thank you so much for y'all as well. And your baby, God bless.
This lady, she met me once in one of the superstores, and there itself she came and she said, oh, where you guys are, like, you know, I'm following you all and I'm waiting for your recipes and all, because that time we did not start our channel again. But yes, it touched my heart so much that even when you're not there present, like in doing the vlogs or the recipes, people know you and they want you to come back. So it's really heart touching that people really respect and admire us.
And yes, this is very good. Like, you know, we as a Goan or as a fellow Indians or fellow human beings, we have to know that there's one thing that when we live in this world and we go, there's only we'll remember the memories will remain behind. It will touch us so much that whatever good act that we do will always seen by everyone. For enjoy your presence life. Thank you so much. You all have touched us so much. Now they say, what is a YouTube family? I understand now this is a YouTube family. You have touched, we have been connected. We did not know each other before. Now that we know that you have done so much. And one more thing I want to tell for Shivnath. Shiv, you've been an amazing person. Honestly, the way how you support Trupti, I can understand that because me and Nadia are on the same phase with the same struggle and hurdles that we have in life. We have gone through a lot of battles that we have of our own that we have fought. It was not easy. Nadia would not be able to face those battles without me. Neither I would have been able to face those battles without her. It's just because we stood strong to each other, things were possible and we were this far. And I'm asked to Almighty to bless us in the same. And same do I ask to Almighty to bless you all as well, because I see you as same strong man standing next to her. Because without you, she would not do anything, will not be able to do anything. Whatever she speaks about you, saying that, okay, you are the man as a pillar for her standing. So hats off to you, man. I respect you as a man, as a husband of Trupti, as a father.
And Trupti's mom as well. You have raised
Yes.
a very beautiful woman, and yes, she deserves the best. And you have
I will say something in Konkani for Trupti's mom. Ai, देव बरें करूं तुमका K2N family कित्याक तुवें तुगे भुरग्यांक जायते बरे गुणांनी वाडयले म्हणून आनी तांकां जायत तुवें सपोर्ट केलो म्हणून. तृप्तीन तुगे स्टोरी जायते फावटी सांगला तूं कशी आहलोली कितको केलें पळय तें. तूं आहलोली तुवें विश्वास दवरलो म्हणून आयज ती इतली मुखार पावले. आनी हेंच जाय हें भुरग्यांक की आपणा आवय बापूय आपणा बाराबो आहलोली लायक आपणा सपोर्ट केलोले. कितें आसता की भुरगीं आमी कितेंय कोताय पण माय पायन स्वता बिलीव करपाक जाय आपणा भुरग्यांचेर. माय पाय जाता तुगे कायदो म्हूण जर तूं भुरग्यांक करपा लायलें न्ही, भुरगीं तें हें जायना. हांव मुगे भुरग्यांक म्हणटा लायक आमगे भुरग्यां व्हडलीं जालें व्हडलीं जातलीं, पूण हांव केन्ना चिंतना की मुगे भुरगीं व्हडलीं जायन म्हाका कितें करपा जाय, केश कितें करपा जाय. तेंकां हांवें तितलो मोग दिवपा जायो की तेंकां दिसों जाय तें की तेणें म्हाका करपा जाय म्हूण. आनी तुवें सेम केलां, तुवें तुगे भुरग्यांक मोग दिला आनी त्या मोगान ती आयज कितें कोताय पळय ती तूं कोताय ते भशेन तेणें तुगे नांव ते भशेन वयर काडलां. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुवें इतली बरें भुरग्यां तुवें वाडयलें म्हणून आनी इतली बरी तुवें तेंकां गूण फावो केले म्हणून.
And yes, once again, thank you so much. Enjoy your present life. Ritvik, you have the best parents and always make your parents proud, because yes, whatever they are doing today, they are doing it for you, for your future. Yeah, so make them proud and keep up the good work. So now, before we end up the video, we are going to give you the shout out. And the first name is Marina Fernandez.
Marina Fernandez, yes, what she's out there. Marina Fernandez, yes, you have written us such a beautiful message for us. You appreciated our hard work in this, the way how we do it. You like our content, you like our recipes, everything. Thank you for this beautiful comment that you have sent for us. God bless you and your family. Thank you again, and please stay connected.
The second name is Geeta Amonkar.
Geeta Amonkar, yes. Geeta Amonkar, she's a new subscriber for us. Thank you, Geeta, that you have subscribed for us and you are watching and you like what we do. You have said in your comments, you like even our recipes that we come with.
Yes.
So, yes, what can I
Thank
say?
you so
It is welcome to the family of K2N, and let's start with this journey now.
The third shout out is Anis from Goa.
Anis from Goa, yes. Anis, thank you so much for appreciating every single vlog that we do, in every recipe that we upload. You have to, and I like you mentioned Anis Goa. I think see that's you're from Goa. Thank you for all that words that you give. God bless you and your family.
So the fourth shout out is Miguelina Rodriguez.
Yeah, Miguelina Rodriguez, she has known us through Trupti. She's a follower of Trupti. So when the Trupti, she made a vlog, she went to see for us, and then she came to and she liked our vlogs as well. So Miguelina, thank you and welcome to K2N family as well. Now we are all family here. So thank you for subscribing to our channel and coming, joining us, and for your words of appreciation that you have sent to us. It means a lot. Thank you, and God bless you and your family too.
And the fifth shout out is Maria Silva Rodriguez.
Yeah, Maria Silva Rodriguez. Thank you. I've seen Maria Silva's as well, a lot of comments that she puts through. And thank you. I don't know, Maria, you're from Goa or abroad or what, but yes, thank you so much. God bless you and your family, and for writing those beautiful words for us. And before I end this vlog, friends, I want to say again, this shout out that we do, we just pick up the randomly 5 names from the lot that we have from all the comments come for the previous vlog for us, and that goes followingly. We keep a data of all the shout out that we took. If it's a randomly name come again, we try to switch it to another name. But yes, thank you. God bless you for this.
Thank you all for your love and support, and keep supporting us as always.
And before we end this vlog now, my friends, I want to say stay safe. God bless you all. And our final words to say adios.